All right, we got the thermostat water pump in. What we discovered was that this hard line, these two plasticky lines down, I should show it right down here, are connected with a bracket here. Take that bracket off, take this hose off of the thermostat housing, take off the hose that goes here to this one, take off this bracket here, which is holding these hard lines, and then there's one other bracket down right there. Take those off, and that allows enough room between this. Behind, there's a little hose right in where my finger is there. You can just barely see it right there. To pull that off of there, and get these wires and everything out of the way here up here. Unhook the hoses, pull off that hose, pull off this hose down here, just on this side. Move this stuff out of the way. And this is on the disassembly side, so when we're disassembling, we get all that crap out of the way. And then what we discovered was that this is a diagram of the water pump, kind of as it sits on the vehicle. You can see the holes where we put the bolts where they came out. The water pump, or the thermostat housing though, is held on by these three. One, two, and that, or here, right here, this one. These three, which are accessible once you get some of this other junk out of the way. These other ones behind them you cannot get to, so it's easiest to take the thermostat itself off, pull those three. Once you have all this other stuff out of the way, you can pull the thermostat down and out of the way, and that'll allow you access to, I think this one or this one is really bad. These two big ones back here are hard to get. This one on the thermostat's really tough to get to, and you have to put this one in first when you go to reassemble. So this one goes in first on thermostat once the water pump's put back in place. And then once that's done, we started reassembling, putting back the hoses and the clamps on everything, checking everything, and now we put the pulley on the water pump first before we put this small, short little 8-inch hose in or whatever it is, because we have better access to that. So we got that thing back in, and now we're just going back through and hooking up hoses and reassembling everything. And then we'll get the serpentine belt put back on, fill it up with radiator fluid, and give it a whirl.